Hello guys, this is me Shazia. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my entire jewelry collection, and I'm very excited for doing this video because I have a huge collection of jewelry and I'm so excited to share all of that with you guys. So please continue watching the video and I hope you will enjoy it. So guys, I'm gonna be dividing this video into two parts because I have a huge collection of jewelry, you guys. Now let me tell you, I'm not like a huge fan of jewelry. I love makeup more than jewelry. I am, not like this very obsessed person towards jewelry, but I just end up having like too much of jewelry with me, which is why I have to divide the video into two parts. So one of the box where I store my jewelry is this one, and I decorated this box myself, you guys. And it was a plain black box and I decorated it myself. And if you guys want to know how I decorated this box, I've already done a DIY video on that on my channel earlier. You guys can check it out. I shall share the link in the description box. So this is the jewelry box of mine, and I have other boxes, but first we'll be seeing what's inside this box. So let's just open it. So these are the stuffs that I have inside. That's how I store my jewelry. I don't have like these fancy ways of storing them. I just plainly put them into these small packets, small boxes like these, and I put them inside one box. So this is how basically I store my jewelry, very simple way. So let's first see what I have in this one. So this is actually a hair clip that I have inside. This is like a decorative hair accessory, and this is a headband. So let me just quickly open this. Yep. So guys, I love stone things, anything that has stones on it. I absolutely love it. I don't know, I'm basically a little fan of stone jewelry. So like you guys can see, this is a very beautiful stone white stone headband, and it looks absolutely pretty. I love wearing this headband. Like, it just gives a very beautiful look, and you don't need to do any other hairstyle when you just put this band. It just gives you a nice statement look, and it looks really pretty. So this is one of the headbands. And then I have this very beautiful hair clip. You guys can see, again, it's very pretty. Also guys, another quick thing that I wanted to mention is that most of the jewelry that I'm having right here, almost 90 to 95% of the jewelry that I have is all from Dubai. I've resided in Dubai for almost 19 and a half years of my life. So all the jewelry that I used to buy, all the accessories that I used to buy are mostly from the local shops in Dubai. So I have very few jewelry that I bought from India or bought from any online websites. There's hardly much jewelry like that. So yeah, that is something that you can't really so if you are looking for some jewelry suggestions from this website or that Indian website, no, I'm not the right person for that, but I'm just sharing my collection, so I hope you guys do keep that in mind. Okay, let's see what I have inside this box right here. So the box is from Malabar Gold, but gold is an artificial piece. So this is the ring, you guys. It's a very, very, very beautiful ring. Just look at that piece, you guys. I absolutely love this ring. It's my favorite ring. Again, got it from Dubai from a local shop. I absolutely love it. It goes with all of my outfits, you guys. With any outfit that I wear, it looks absolutely fantastic, and I always get compliments from people whenever I wear this ring, and it's really beautiful. It goes with all of my outfits, especially traditional outfits. I absolutely love it, and I have kept it in a separate box because why not? It is the most favorite ring that I own, and yeah, absolutely love it. Then the next box that I have three boxes for just finger rings, and finger rings are my favorite part of jewelry, so that is also something that I wanted to share. And this is a very beautiful glittery box. Just look at that. It has a cute bow, and I have so many rings inside. This is also a really pretty ring that I have. My sister gave this ring to me from Australia, and it's a really pretty ring, you guys. Look at that. And it looks very chic, and it would go with even Western outfits, even Indian outfits. It would look absolutely fantastic. Then the next stuff that I have, what is this? Okay, it's a hair clip. It's a small cute hair clip that I have, and look at that. Again, it's stone one. It has multicolored stones. Very cute, very delicate. Absolutely love it. But I haven't worn this yet, I guess. yeah, I haven't really worn this so far, but I just have it in my collection. Yeah, then the next ring that I have, okay, I have 3 rings. Now guys, these are a set of 3 rings together. So one is a gold colored ring, and the other one is a silver colored ring, and the other one is also a gold ring, a golden colored ring. And this is how they look like. So you need to wear this together, and it looks really cute, delicate and pretty. Just look at that. Yeah, it looks really pretty, really cute, and I think these have become a little bit tight. I can feel it here. I think my fingers have fattened up a little bit for some reason, but yeah. So these are also very cute, very pretty rings. Again, got them from local shop in Dubai. Then the next ring that I have is this one. Now guys, this is a pure silver ring. It's completely pure silver, and again got it from a local shop in Dubai. This is how it looks like. Very pretty ring, and a very simple, very cute ring. And I remember I used to wear this ring so often back, I think back in 2018, I guess, and it used to go so well with all of my abayas, because since it has a black stone in between, it used to go really well with all my black abayas. This is also a very pretty cute ring. I think I need to get this polished because it's kind of oxidized, but yeah, it still looks pretty. Then the ring that I have inside this box is this one right here. This is how it looks like. Again, stone ring, and this is how it looks like. I think this was my mom's ring. I don't remember, but I think I have not worn this often, but it's just there, and also this is very pretty. Then yeah, I think that's all I have inside this beautiful box right here. Then the next box that I have is this one. So again, I have so many rings inside this, and this is one ring that my sister gave me. Again, she gifted it to me from Australia. So guys, I have a lot of stuffs that are gifted to me also. That's another thing to keep in mind. So this is a little loose for me. It's a lot loose actually, but yeah, it's quite nice, quite pretty. I haven't worn it so far because it's quite loose. I need to tie a thread and probably make use of it. Then the next ring I have is very classy, very unique kind of a ring. Just look at that design, you guys, the tiger print, and it's a very nice design, very unique, very classy design. Again, got it from a local shop in Dubai, and really like it. Again, I have not worn this often, and this was a little loose for me, but I think now it's perfect. Yeah. My fingers are quite thin, and mostly, like, yes, now they have become fattened. I did mention that, but mostly, rings, if they don't have the adjustable end on the back, I mostly find them loose, so I mostly prefer adjustable rings because sometimes rings are loose for me. So yeah, this is another ring. My aunt gave this ring to me, and I think she got it from Saudi Arabia. So this is how it looks like. It's a very pretty ring, and it has this nice blue stone in between, and it will go perfectly with all my blue outfits. And yeah, this is also quite pretty. Ooh, that was a little tight. Okay, then the next ring that I have is this one, guys. Now I had 3 color variants in this ring. One was a pink one, the other one was a white rose, and the other one is this mauve kind of a rose. And it's also a very pretty ring, and I think I lost the white one and I broke the pink one. And like you can see, it has adjustable ends, so it's quite good. I need to adjust this in order to wear it because I think now it's a little tight for me, but I'll just show you guys like this. Yeah, this is how it looks like. It's quite pretty, really like it. Yeah, then this one was my mom's ring, but I got it from her because I have a few purple outfits and I wanted to get this ring from her because it's very pretty. Again, it has an adjustable end and it's very pretty again. Then the next ring that I have is this one. This is a very, very old ring, you guys, and I think this was also gifted to me by one of my relatives, and this is also quite nice one. And I used to wear this so often back then. After that, it got so oxidized that I had to keep it aside. But back then, when it was new and fresh, I used to wear it so often with all my outfits. Whenever I used to head out, I used to first grab this ring. It was like my go-to ring. So yeah, I remember it's still very pretty, but I just need to get this polished probably for the next time in order for me to wear it. Yeah, the next ring that I have is this one. Again, this is a very pretty white stone ring. Again, got it from a local shop in Dubai, and I'm still confused which way to wear it. Is it this way or is it the other way? I think it's this way, right? Yeah, so this is how it looks like. Again, very, very pretty ring, you guys. Then the next ring I have is the oldest ring I probably have. I think I got it in like 2014 or 15. It's very old ring, and this was gifted to me again by one of my friend's mom back in Dubai. And again, I need to get this polished. It's very very oxidized, like you guys can see. It's very old, so it's quite delicate, quite cute. Yeah. Then yeah, I think that's all I have in this box. I have another ring box. Yeah, I just have one ring in this. Look at this piece, you guys. It's so beautiful. Like, look at that ring. I absolutely love it. It's so huge, so gorgeous, and it's going to go perfectly with all your, you know, festive outfits, and it's going to look perfect for weddings. Just look at that. It's really beautiful. Though it has blue colored stones, they actually give that multicolor reflex, so you can wear it on any outfit basically. Yeah, it looks very pretty. And again, got it from a local shop. Okay, I also have another ring box, and here is where I have my gold ring, you guys. So this is a pure gold ring, and very cute, very pretty ring. Just look at that. It's very delicate, very cute. Just look at that. Just look at that. It's so cute, and I have kept it in a separate box because why not? It's a gold ring. It's precious. Yeah, so it's very cute ring. Absolutely love it. And stone. And I love this box as well. Like, it's a very nice box. So I have my ring. Okay guys, I think I'm done with all the rings. What do I have here? Okay, over here I have all my keychains. So let me just show you guys quickly my keychains. This is one of the keychains I got from a local shop, and it's quite pretty. I love it. Just look at that. It looks perfect for weddings and stuff. It's very pretty. Look at that. It's very pretty. Then I also have some elastic bands inside this pouch. You guys can see I have these black elastics, so obviously I don't have to show that to you guys, but yeah, let me show you what other. Okay, then I have this Burj Al Arab keychain. Now, if you have been in Dubai ever, then you should know that this tower is so famous. None other than the Burj Al Arab, and quite nice one. I'm not a great fan of this one, but it's a nice one. I mean, it's Burj Al Arab, so why not? Okay, the next keychain I have is this one. This looks like a handbag it itself, and again, not a huge fan of this keychain because it makes too much of a noise, you guys. Just look at that. When you actually hang it on your handbag and when you walk, it makes a hell of noise, I should say. So that's why I avoid, you know, putting this keychain on, but I just have it because it looks pretty. Next keychain I have is this one. It's cute, nice, pretty and classy. Yeah, look at that. It's a bow, and again, these are multicolored stones and these are white stones. And this looks very pretty. I have too much of stone jewelry, you guys. I already told you guys, so if you're someone who doesn't like stone jewelry, please don't judge me. Then I also have this hair clip inside the same pouch. Just a plain black hair clip, and I think that's pretty much it what I have inside this pouch right here. Let's quickly see what else I have, you guys. Yes, I have a huge packet of bangles right here. This is how the bangles look like. I'm not gonna open these because it does take time and also will make the video pretty long. So this is one set, like you guys can see, these bronze, you know, stone ones. I have not worn these so far. I just have them with me, but yeah. Then these three, you know, set of these three, these which I'm talking about, these are very pretty, but they go really well with all of my outfits, especially Indian outfits. So I kind of, you know, pair them up with any other bangles. So, you know, you can put any other colored bangles in between and they just make a perfect pair. So yeah, I love these. And I also have another set of and I got these from here itself. These are not from Dubai. I'm not sure from where exactly, but I think these have been given to me by one of my, you know, mom's friend or someone. I'm not very sure, but this is how they look like. Then I also have another hair clip inside this box. Then I have this thing right here, you guys. It's actually a headband, but you can also wear it as a necklace. This is how it looks like. You can see it has a band, so you can also wear it as a necklace, and it looks very pretty. I have worn this in few of my eye tutorials. I have worn it on my head, on my forehead, and it looks quite nice. So this is how it looks like. Then I have this hairband right here. This is a braided hairband, like you guys can see, and it looks really good, you guys. It looks real. It looks as if you have braided your own hair. So this is how it looks like. It's quite nice and it looks very pretty, and you know, it makes a very effortless hairdo. You just have to put this headband on. You don't have to even make any hairstyle. It looks very pretty. Then I again have some hair accessories with me right here inside this pouch. I have these clips right here. You guys can see I have both a white and a gold one. So one is a gold one and the other one is this one, and these look very pretty on, you know, your braids. When you put a braid, you know, you attach it to your braid, it looks very nice and pretty. So these I think I have them like 5 each, you know, in both shades. Then I have these roses. Now I don't know how to make use of these, but I think you can just put them on your braids and, you know, make them look nice and attractive, or you can put it around your bun. It looks nice, but I haven't really worn these as such. Then I have these hair clips. I have 2 of these. Again, look very delicate and pretty. You can see that's how they look like. I wore them in my sister's wedding. That was, I think, the last that I wore these hair clips. I still remember. Then I have this you know, this is also a rubber band, a headband, like you can see. Again, I haven't worn this often and I'm not a great fan of it, but I just have it. Then I have these hair clips. I think this was given to me by my sister. Oh my god, all of my things are just so crumbled up. Okay, so this is how they look like. Yes, that's pretty much what I had inside this pouch. Okay guys, in this pouch I have some mang tikas, and I know this is a very bad way of storing my mang tikas because you know, I've just put them all into like one bag, and yeah, so but I am actually short of jewelry bags. Okay, the first mang tika that I have is this one right here. Actually guys, this is a earring. Like you can see, it's a chandbali earring, but I actually attached it to a chain, so I made it into a mang tika, and it absolutely looks gorgeous as a mang tika. I wore it as a mang tika in my Eid on my Eid look, and it actually looked really pretty. So this is one of the earring, and this earring was actually again gifted to me by my sister, but I attached it to a chain and made it into a mang tika. So this is how it looks like, and it's very pretty. I absolutely love it. Next mang tika I have is this one. This is actually my sister's mang tika. This is how it looks like. I actually wore this in one of my eye tutorials, I remember. This is how it looks like. This is another mang tika that I have. And I also have earrings. I actually had an entire set, you guys. I had a necklace, mang tika, as well as earrings, you know, in a set, which actually came in a set, and I think it was gifted to me by somebody. It's actually a very old set that I have with me. Like, look at it. It's actually turned really old. I'm sure you guys can make it out. So I still have the earrings, but I don't have the necklace. I just have the mang tika, and this is how it looks like. Then the next mang tika that I have is this really cute mang tika. Just look at this, guys. It's so cute, and this was gifted to me by my sister-in-law, Bhabi, and this is how it looks like. It's really cute, really pretty. I wore this to one wedding, and you know, if you like wear those very heavy earrings or very heavy necklace set or something, you can pair it up with this cute little mang tika. It's gonna look really good. So yep, that's I think pretty much what I have. I need more mang tikas, you guys. I don't have a lot of them. I love mang tikas, but I don't own a lot of them. But this is pretty much what I have for now. The last thing that I have inside this box is this necklace right here. It's a huge statement necklace. This is how it looks like. And again, I'm not a great fan of this necklace, but I just have it with me. This is how it looks like, and it's actually a cloth kind of a material. If you can see, it's very soft to touch. It has a cloth behind, so it's a huge statement piece, and it will look really good with extremely plain dresses, you know, with those completely plain outfits. So yep, this is I think the last thing that I have. Okay guys, so that's pretty much all what I had in that box. Now I have 3 other boxes right here. These are actually necklace boxes, and I do have necklaces as well as other stuff. Let's first see what I have in this box right here. This is a gold jewelry shop, but I have all artificial stuffs only. But I do have only artificial things. and see, I'm a fan of artificial jewelry, not much into gold jewelry. If you're like me, let me know in the comments. So yes, over here I have my, so inside this box I have all my bracelets, you guys. The bracelet that I have, this is how it looks like. One of my best friends, she gifted this to me after I left school, and that was like really sweet and nice. So this is one of the bracelets that I have. Just look at this. This is how it looks like, and I really like it, and it actually makes like a nice statement kind of a piece. So it looks really good on plain outfits, and I used to wear this so much on my abayas as well. It looks really good. Then I also have some other bracelets. This is one of the chain bracelet that I have. My sister gifted this to me from Australia. Look at that. It's a nice golden colored chain. That's how it looks like, and it's quite classy, quite nice, and looks really good on both Western as well as Indian outfits. Then I have this chain bracelet right here. Again, this was also gifted to me by my sister. So look at that. I really love this bracelet, you guys. It's my favorite out of my collection. So look at that. It looks really pretty and classy as well. It looks really good on Western outfits. Look at that. This is how it is, and it just has a thing to attach in the back, so it's very easy to put as well. Just have to do this way. Yeah, so it actually kind of entangles a little too much, so I actually kept it really carefully like this, because it kind of entangles since it's a chain bracelet. That's the only downside. But yeah, now this is a ring bracelet. I don't know what this is actually called as. It's not a ring bracelet, but it's like a, I don't know what this is called as. If you know what this is called as, let me know in the comments. So basically you just have to put it like this on your hand. So basically this is how you're supposed to wear it. So it's like, you know, it has a chain over here, and over here you have the ring bracelet. It looks really pretty, and I absolutely love it. It looks really perfect on Western as well as Indian outfits. Absolutely love this. Let's look at that. Now inside this necklace box I have some necklaces. So the first one that I have is this one, right? This is actually a choker necklace, you guys. Let's look at that. Again, got it from a local shop in Dubai. This is how it should look like. Let's look at that. It has this nice stone in between, and it looks really good. It looks both great on Western as well as Indian outfits, and I really like it. So back then when I bought this, chokers was so much in trend. I think even right now chokers are in trend. I absolutely love chokers, so I got this choker along with another choker, which I'll be showing you guys next. Then I have this band right here. This is actually a headband, but you can also wear it as a necklace. Again, I got it from a local shop in Dubai. This is how it looks like. So supposed to wear it like this. You can wear it as a necklace as well as a headband, and I wore it actually as a headband in one of my eye tutorials, I remember. Yeah, this is how it is. Is another bracelet actually. This I got it as a necklace set. One of my best friends, she gifted this to me as a necklace set, so I got earrings, necklace as well as a bracelet. I think I don't have the necklace and the earrings. I don't know where I've kept them, but I have the bracelet. So look at that. It's so pretty. Look at that. Then the last piece that I have inside this box is this headband right here, and this is a very old one, you guys. I got it really. This is how it looks like. It's a headband, but you can also wear it as a necklace. I like to wear this more as a headband. So yes, that's all I had inside this. Okay guys, inside this box also I have, I think, 2 necklaces. So the first one that I have is this one. Now this is actually a choker, and it's a choker necklace, and I absolutely love it, you guys. It's such a beauty. It looks so pretty. Wait, let me just focus this. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. It goes really well on Indian outfits, and you can see behind it's golden in color, so you know, it really looks perfect for weddings. It looks great on saris, on dresses. Absolutely love this piece. It's so pretty. It looks even more pretty in real, you guys. From the camera is not even doing justice. When I actually put this on my neck, it looks absolutely gorgeous. This is one of my favorite chokers that I have. Then the next necklace set that I have is this one right here. This has earrings as well as a necklace, and this is a very, very old piece. And my friends, they gifted this to me on my 16th birthday, and it's actually a good memory because obviously 16th birthday is special for everyone, and my 16th birthday was also really special. So this is how it looks like. This is the necklace. It is very pretty, you guys. It also looks nice as a headband. Let's look at that. Looks really pretty. I absolutely love these big blue stones that are hanging over here, and is a really pretty set. And here are the earrings. They are also really cute and pretty. Let's look at them. So I have them kept inside a separate box, and even the box is also pretty nice. You can see it's a velvet box, perfect for keeping your necklaces. So yes guys, I think that's pretty much it. And necklaces, I don't have a lot of them. I am not a great fan of necklaces. I usually, even when I go to weddings or parties, I mostly wear either, you know, long earrings. So stay tuned for the part 2, you guys. It's coming up soon, hopefully next Sunday. And yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed, and let me know which was your most favorite jewelry that you liked, which part of my jewelry that did you like the most. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. I would absolutely love to read. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and give my video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I shall see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.